Switchblade suicide drones.
AeroVironment invented the Switchblade, a tiny loitering munition that is employed by multiple branches of the US military. The Switchblade is classified as a missile, rather than a drone by US Army standards, and the word loitering munition is used to describe it. The Switchblade launches from a tube, flies to the target area, and crashes into it, while detonating its explosive warhead. It's small enough to put in a backpack. The drones are one of a kind, in that they may hover above a possible target, waiting for the proper moment to launch a precise strike. After the Switchblade 600 anti-armor variant was introduced in 2020, the original Switchblade is renamed the Switchblade 300. The Blackwing, an unarmed variation of the Switchblade 300, was released in 2015. Switchblade drones are less expensive than other US drones, according to the manufacturer, AeroVironment. The Switchblade 300 variant, which weighs around 5 pounds, and can fly for up to 15 minutes, is designed to be carried in a backpack to aid tiny infantry forces. The Switchblade 600, on the other hand, is a loitering missile that can target armored vehicles, and weighs around 50 pounds. It can fly for up to 40 minutes. The Switchblade uses a color camera and GPS locating to identify, track, and engage targets, as well as being able to be programmed to collide with them. The Switchblade software uses machine-to-machine communication to target coordinates, shortening engagement times. Switchblade operators can use the program to get real-time video downlinks for a centralized view of the operation area. It has a range of 10 kilometers and a 15-minute endurance time. It has a payload, launcher, and carrying bag that weighs 2.5 kilograms and fits within a rucksack. Its warhead can damage light armored vehicles and soldiers, with an explosive charge similar to a 40mm grenade. If a situation requires the operator to call off a strike, the Switchblade can be called off and retargeted. Because the plane is powered by an electric motor, its small size and quiet flying make it impossible to detect or intercept, allowing it to shut in on a target at 157 kilometers per hour. According to the company, Switchblade drones were initially employed in Afghanistan against the Taliban in the aftermath of 9/11.
Please subscribe.